Welcome to AutoQuake, where we bring you face-to-face with the wildest machines reshaping the future of performance. And today, we're witnessing something unprecedented. The 2026 BMW M9 has finally been unveiled, and it's not just a car. It's a declaration. A hyper-luxury grand tourer, a hybrid monster, and a futuristic masterpiece, all wrapped into a silhouette that looks like it rolled straight out of a science fiction film. The M9 has been teased, whispered about, and speculated. For over a decade, some thought BMW would never build it. But here it is, real, loud, and ready to change the definition of what an M car can be. This isn't just BMW's next flagship, it's a concept made road legal. The M9 is no successor to any past model. It's a category breaker. Let's start with the design, because that's what everyone will notice first. The 2026 M9 is visually unlike anything BMW has ever done. It blends coupe proportions with hypercar aggression and GT luxury. The nose is low and wide with an evolved version of BMW's kidney grille, slim, illuminated, and finally not oversized. Flanking it are adaptive laser matrix headlights housed in ultra-slim, futuristic casings. The hood features active aero vents that open under hard acceleration or cooling demands. The body? Carbon fiber reinforced panels over an aluminum space frame. The profile is pure sculpture, wide arches, floating roofline, butterfly doors, and razor-sharp creases that catch light like a concept car. At the rear, a full-width old-tail light strip merges into a carbon diffuser with quad trapezoidal exhausts. It looks angry. It looks electric. It looks alive. And what's under the hood is even crazier. The 2026 BMW M9 features a plug-in hybrid drivetrain based on a re-engineered 4.4L twin-turbo V8, paired with a dual electric motor setup, one on each axle. Combined, it produces a face-melting 850 horsepower and over 1,100 Newton-meters of torque. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour happens in 2.6 seconds, with a top speed electronically limited to 330 kilometers per hour, unless you unlock track mode. But here's the shocker. Despite that power, the M9 offers a pure EV range of around 90 kilometers, meaning you can cruise silently through cities or on short commutes without touching a drop of fuel. BMW has managed to balance raw muscle with smart sustainability. The car rides on an advanced MX Drive AWD system with torque vectoring, predictive traction control, and a fully adaptive air suspension. You can raise it for daily usability or drop it to the ground in sport, plus for full aero engagement. Rear wheel steering comes standard. And yes, there's a drift mode, because even the most futuristic M still knows how to party. Step inside, and the M9 will take your breath away. It's less of a cabin and more of a digital lounge. The dashboard is built around BMW's panorama display, a seamless old arc that stretches across the dash, flowing into the doors. It's paired with an augmented reality heads-up display and haptic response center console. Gesture Control 3.0, voice assistant with AI learning, and mood reactive ambient lighting make it feel like the car is always one step ahead of you. The seats are next-gen carbon buckets wrapped in Alcantara, and vegan leather with integrated cooling, heating, and biometric sensors. Rear passengers get individual displays, wireless charging pads, and noise-canceling headrests. There's even a scent control system that adjusts based on drive mode, fresh and calm in comfort, bold and sharp in sport. And of course the M9 is packed with safety and autonomy. Level 3 self-driving features, adaptive cruise with AI lane learning, auto overtaking, emergency swerving, all standard. But when you take control, everything tightens, everything responds, and the M9 becomes what it was meant to be. A machine that demands to be driven. So what is the 2026 BMW M9 really? It's the future of MA bridge between combustion and electric, a grand tourer with hypercar DNA, a flagship with soul. It's not trying to compete with others. It's pulling the game into a new direction entirely. Let us know in the comments. Is the M9 the bold step BMW needed? Would you take it over a Porsche Taycan Turbo GT, an AMG G73E, or even a full electric Lucid Air Sapphire? Make sure to like this video, subscribe to AutoQuake, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our deep dives into the most thrilling rides on the planet. Until next time, stay fast, stay bold, and never stop chasing the edge.